In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Valentines and craft supplies you can find at your local Dollar Tree to help you craft or decorate for Valentine's Day. They had such good stuff already made that it looked amazing. Amazing signs, amazing stuff for tiered trays. I mean, I was blown away by the quality of everything I saw. And look at these craft supplies. I can't wait to show you what I got. Everything from little baking accessories. I mean, look at these little molds and cupcake liners to even cupcake molds and shapes of hearts. Amazing baskets to put little treat bags, or you could use these for so many things. Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I found some really cute stuff in the seasonal section for Valentine's Day, as well as some craft supplies we're gonna make in some upcoming videos. So let's go to the Valentine's goodies first. They had so many good signs, and a lot of them were already painted. There were some reds, there were some pinks, there were some white, but I picked up this plain door hanger sign. So cute. They had so much to choose from, so check out your local Dollar Tree. Also in the Valentine section, they had some more like wood blanks. Cute little heart. I've got a cute idea for this one. They had so much little decor pieces. These were just two that caught my eye. I'm gonna snazz them up a little bit and change them, but how adorable are these pieces? This one says kissing booth and this one says hugs and kisses, love you always. Also in that Valentine section, I found these heart mold cupcake liners. My daughter has already snatched it and used it for some Play-Doh, and it actually looked really good. But I'm gonna be baking some cute brownies, some Valentine's bars in the shape of the heart, and of course I'll wash out the Play-Doh before we get started. There was these beautiful cupcake liners, 75 liners. They baked well. I made some muffins in them already, and they worked wonderfully. Also, these baker twine is like a hot pink, a red and white stripe, and a red. I love these. I've got some cute ideas for this twine along with all of these other great finds. Let me show you some sneak peeks of the aisles. So they were just starting to put out their St. Patrick's Day items. I know it seems a little early for some of you guys, but for those of you that sell things or you just want to get ahead on some of your spring crafts, that's super exciting. I'm anxiously awaiting Easter, but let me show you some generic craft supplies that I found in the craft section. So these were new to me. These are wooden signs, and this one is already painted a beautiful like white color, distressed color, and this one's more of a dark wood color. They also had like a chalkboard black one. Look how big these are, just $1.25. I had never seen these before. I picked up some more foam brushes because you can never have too many, as well as some little palettes for paint, so I'm not having to dip into the chalk paint. The little tiny bottles were a little hard, so I'm gonna use these sometimes. And then this little rectangle, I have a cute little spring saying I'm gonna do on this. They have tons of wood projects. So I'm excited to create some upcoming decor with you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe. We're gonna be doing some Valentine's craft with me, where we do some wood signs, we do some sublimation, some embroidery. We do all kinds of crafts all in one video. I'm super excited. The one thing I looked for and I couldn't find was this beaded heart. I wanted it so bad. It wasn't at my Dollar Tree. You can order stuff online, but you do have to order things in bulk. So depending on which item it is, it can be anywhere from 4 pieces to like 24, 36 pieces. I didn't need that many, so I will go without it. I have a cute idea for these. I hope you enjoyed today's Dollar Tree haul around Valentine's Day. Gives you a sneak peek to see if you need to head to your local Dollar Tree to get some crafting supplies or some home decor. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, and until next time, bye for now.